Hi everybody, my name is Mason Knowles. I've been with the Joyce Agency for about 6 years now. The Joyce Agency is a trusted manufacturer's representative. We've been in business since 1982. We represent a variety of manufacturers in the building materials world. My role at the Joyce Agency, I call on fire protection contractors, underground contractors, irrigation contractors, and I deal with a little bit of the folks on the industrial side. Today, we're going to go over a couple new products in the fire protection and the Waterworks world. First is the Derringer backflow, which is the latest backflow model from Watts Water. And the second product is on the Waterworks side, and it's going to be an InBuilding riser, which is also from Watts Water. All right, so first we're going to take a look at the newest backflow model from Watts. This is the Derringer 20. It's a double check backflow preventer. It's got all your standard listings for backflow, UL/FM, ASSC, and USC approved. First thing you're going to notice from this to your traditional valve is going to be the length. It's only 18 inches long on this 4-inch valve, and it weighs 42 pounds. So it's easy for a one-man set job. It's got integrated butterfly shutoff valves, which contribute to that light weight. It's got a non-slide cover, just a 6-bolt pattern there. And then once you get inside, we'll take a look at the checks here. As you can see, I've already disassembled this a little bit to make it easier for demonstration. So the dual action, it's got a pop-it style for your low flow situations. It's just going to pop open, and that's going to make it more resistant to fouling, and it's just more reliable seating. And then for your high flow situations, it's got a swing action, and that's going to give you that minimal pressure loss that you see with this valve. Now, this being a newer valve, the detector assemblies are going to be the modern Type 2 bypass, and that's training for another day, but really what that means is on the bypass, instead of having equal backflow protection, it's going to utilize the first check, and you're only going to have a single check on the bypass. So that also contributes to lower pressure loss. Again, this is the Derringer 20, and you can check more out about this valve in the link below. All right, next we're going to take a look at the InBuilding riser from Watts. This is typically used with the Waterworks underground contractors, where they bring the service pipe into the building. The first key feature of this product is going to be the high integrity of the material. So first and foremost, you're eliminating 2 potential leak paths underneath the foundation with the mechanical joint connections you would typically use with a ductile iron pipe. This is class 300 stainless steel, corrosion resistant. It's got your standard UL/FM and NSF approvals, and these are all leak tested before they leave the facility. The second key feature for the InBuilding riser is going to be the ease of installation. Standard, these come with a hub and spigot on the underground side, and on the building side, it's going to be grooved or flanged. Now, these come standard, so that eliminates any need for grooving or threading or any other assembly you'd be doing with ductile iron pipe on the job site. They're lightweight, so depending on the pipe size, it could be a 1 to 2-man set job. And lastly, the larger sizes, 4 to 10 inch, come with the test caps included already on the riser. The third key feature of the InBuilding risers is that they're customizable. So as you can see, this is just a table sample, but the standard models come 6 foot by 6 foot, and they're hub and spigot on the underground side and grooved and flanged on the building side. That's for sizes 4 through 10 inch. The InBuilding riser 2, which is available in 2, 2.5, and 3 inch, comes with a standard male thread or grooved, and that's both on the underground and the building side. Those are available with optional female thread or flanged options. Also customizable is the length. So you could get this any combination as long as it equals 19 feet, whether you need that 7 feet on the underground side or 11 feet on the building side, they can do anything you need. The last key feature for the InBuilding riser is going to be your total cost savings. So this being one piece, there's going to be no scrap material left over from the ductile iron pipe or fittings that you'd be using. It's like I said, depending on the size, it could be a 1 or 2-man set job, so you'll have some labor savings with the time of install as well. And lastly, it's just going to be a longer life cycle than the ductile iron pipe, and totally eliminates any need for the connections underground, so you'd never have to dig up the concrete to fix anything. Again, my name is Mason with the Joyce Agency. Today we covered the InBuilding riser and the Derringer valve from Watts. If you have any questions, you can visit our website for more information or any training opportunities that may be available. And thanks for tuning in.